we do here is go back.
Finally, we are here making this video. Welcome. This package came after Nike took so long to ship. I almost got charged a penalty fee, and I probably could have got banned from StockX. But finally, this package has arrived. You see the title. I want to get this review out as fast as possible so I can ship this already. So by the time you see this video or whatever, this package is already, this sneaker is finally packed and ready to be shipped. But you see the title. Let's just get right into it. Yeah, like I always say, make sure you subscribe. As soon as we hit 1K, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So if you want to be a part of that, subscribe. And thank you all for tuning in. And if you really want to support, just go follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. So let's get right into it, because I've been waiting to do this video already. I am so over it. Whew. I guess they're doing it new now with sneakers or not. I have no clue. Maybe just the specific box. But it literally came in a plastic, right? I don't even know how or why. But I'm going to leave the wow. Look at the box, though. I would have held these if I had just more money to sit on certain shoes, but I'm gonna leave the plastic there. Look at the details. The Clot Jordan 14s, Air Jordan 14. Look at the details. Jordan right there. What it says on the bottom? It's like a sign right there, a logo. 23. Jordan box feels like material is mad weird on this, but that's the Jordan box right there. Size 10.5, I believe. Yeah, 10.5. I got this on the sneakers app. I know I've been slacking with my screenshots. In the video, you catch me, I said I'm gonna post a screenshot. I was like, boom, but I didn't even post a pic because I'll be editing too fast. I'll be editing, working on mad videos. But look, I'm gonna post a goddamn picture right here. Boom. Y'all will see it. Let's take it out the box. Ooh, got that thick Jordan card right there with the logo. Right here. That's the guy, I guess. Damn, man. I wish I never sold it for the price I did. I don't know what prices went down on these. Wow. Wow. Not my type of color, but yeesh. Look at this. Wow. I mean, I didn't make that much profit on these, but sheesh. I feel like a lot of people just brick these. I don't know. I feel like in the long term, I'm going to regret selling these for the price I did, but dang. That's like the logo, I think. It's supposed to be like a Japanese or Chinese. My bad, y'all. I did not research for this shoe, but don't go crazy on me. But that's that. I can never wear these personally, but that's so much detail right there. And logos in the back. It says Jordan. The bottom. I would always think I'm dropping change if this hits something. Like, you hear that? But this is a 10.5. This will be sold. It's already sold. I just gotta ship it out, like I said in the intro. Oh, I just realized they don't have the Jordan logo right there. It's usually in 14s. It's just clear. But this colorway, though, is not it, for me at least. 14s. Wow. I don't even know what to say about these, to be honest. I was just so hurrying up to try to get this and ship it out. Even though Nike cost me money. But that's the bottom. I don't even know what color this is. Like a peach type of colorway. I do like the detail on the bottom right here. It's like not your typical nubuck. Should sound like changes for me. But let me know what you guys think about this. I honestly have nothing to say about these, to be honest. this is like, to me, I don't like the colorway. Y'all like honest sneaker reviews? I say it, this sneaker is not it, not for me. I wouldn't even wear these if you paid me. Well, maybe if you paid me, I'll wear it, but still, ew. But just like the 13s, I guess the old ones, they had the low top, the low 13 Jordan lows. Prices went up on these. I know eventually these will go up, but I am not holding on to them. But here you go. Get the thumbnail ready. Boom. And there you go. Let me know what you guys think about this. Did you even grab a pair for yourself? I think it's like backwards. Clot. I don't know. Right there on the tongue. I don't know if you can see right there. It's like backwards. But yeah, it says Jordan on this one. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Did you grab a pair? Did you get a pair? Did you hit on sneakers? Do you like this as personal? And maybe I'm bugging. But nah, this, I'm so glad this is the first and last day these are in my house. Jeez. But that's that. Like this video if you enjoyed me bashing on these shoes, or do you agree? Do you also agree with me? Are these shoes dirt? Forget about all the culture, and yes, it may be a reason for how it's made. That doesn't mean I can't be a realist and say the sneaker isn't for me. So it's not for me. So I don't have to like every shoe just because I buy it. Obviously, you guys know I sell sneakers, so I'm just selling what y'all like, not what I like all the time. But this video's been long enough. I know I've been rambling, but geez, these sneakers. Thank God I'm getting rid of these. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all like these, or you don't like them as well? And did you take an L or did you catch a W? Catch a W. Subscribe to the channel. 1K subs, we do an absolutely free giveaway. Follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Y'all know the rest. I'll see y'all in the next vid. I might post this video before I post the other video. I got a special video for y'all. It's real heat. Trust me, it's real heat. So either I'm going to post that vid first or this vid. I don't know. But this is the last time y'all seen these sneakers on my channel. So we out of here. I'm going to end it with a B-roll, I guess. But that's the shoe. And we out of here.